بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
All my respected brothers, Alhamdulillah, Kudam, Mahfal, I'm very pleased to be with you today. And now, I wish I can understand well in Urdu, but unfortunately, I'm very weak in this. I cannot understand, but just now, Ridwan Sahib, please give me some of the translation in Malay, so I can get what the speakers is giving the speech just now, and this stays inside my heart. Alhamdulillah. So today you have conducted this program. This program actually is very good for the muqami and klang. Especially klang is many of our brothers and sisters living here. So the most important thing, always conduct this tarbiyat program. The program like this today is very good actually. I say Mubarak to the Sadar also and Kamal Sahib and all the Majlis Abila Muqami for Klang Muqami for conducting this program. You know, tarbiyat is very important thing in our life. Huzur Allah ada kalimat masih al-Qadis dalam lagu Ta'ala di National Ameer. He says that if the tarbiyat in Jama'at is good, it's good condition, many problems in Jama'at will be solved. Like tabligh, okay? And then sacrificing, paying chanda, Krishnamata, and many other things in Jama'at can be solved out. And also Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will bless the Jama'at if the tarbiyat in Jama'at is in good condition. So, how is the tarbiyat can be converted into a good condition? It is depends on everybody, depends on yourself. If you want to improve your tarbiyah, it's your own willing. If you don't have any wish to improve your tarbiyah, there is no end of road. There is no results in your life. Not only you, but your generation, your children, your family, and the coming generation. If you don't put an effort from now on, since you are since your life, to be in a good tarbiyah, the tarbiyah will never improve. So like this condition now, the office bearer already conducted this program, tarbiyah program, giving speeches and also giving advices. But if no cooperation among the member of Jamaat, the member of Jamaat doesn't want to participate. Even though participate, they don't listen carefully and then talk and then take whatever advice to be practiced in your life. There's no effect on that. So the most important thing, there's cooperation between the office bearer and also members of the Jamaat. The office bearer making a program to give advices to all members, and the members also must take it properly, listen properly, and practice in your life. Then only the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be pouring upon each and every one of you. So, like what I said just now, if tarbiyat is in good condition, this is Huzur advice, Huzur reminder to make the Secretary Tarbiyat in working must conduct the Tarbiyat. Okay? So, if like in muqami klang here, and also very sad to see that you don't have mubalikin to give speech, to give advice. Only the office bearer sacrificing their time to study and to deliver the advices to your own. But still the target can be conducted. Yeah? That's very good actually. Very good. Inshallah ta'ala, I think Marcus also think about the condition of all the refugees, our brothers and sisters here living in Malaysia in large number, but the Mubarak, there is no Mubarak for the Tarbiyah. Inshallah ta'ala, in coming future, so in the near future, I think Mubarak and Marcus will send Mubarak here to do the Tarbiyah of our brothers and sisters here. Because Tarbiyah is most important, what I said just now. So, like this, there will be better living condition, better communication between each other, and better in Jamaat also. So, one of the in Jamaat which we have been practicing regarding sacrificing, only the Jamaat in the world practicing this instruction from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Holy Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاكُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ. Those rightful person, rightful man or woman, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give them recipe, they will give parts of the recipe in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They will put aside some of the recipe given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be used, to be donated in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So we in Jama'ah, we have been practicing this one. Paying chanda, paying tarik jadi, jasa sana, all that. Because this Jama'ah, whenever we want to do activity, we want to do something about Jama'ah, we need money. So where the money come from? We are not receiving money from the government or from the NGO. This is from ourselves, the sacrifice from members of Jama'at in the form of money. So this one will be collected in the Jama'at. So like this also, you are having this now very good Salat center. Yeah? This one is need to pay every month. Yeah? So who pay this one? This is paid by yourself. If you pay chanda, you have the share of paying this Salat center. So when the Salat center being used to go to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, to pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, those who sacrifice their rizqi, those who sacrifice their money to pay the rental of this Salat center, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will bless them. Every cent you will give the blessing from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. That is the secret how to get the blessing from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, which is unknown to the world of Islam, which is unknown to those who are not Ahmadi. Only we, the Ahmadi, knows how to pull the blessing of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala in our life. So that is the importance of sacrifice, paying chanda. So every Jama'at, every Ahmadi should not forget to pay chanda every month. So Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will bless your life. You will give an easy life. You will give happiness in your life. Not only you, but your generation to come, your children, your grandchildren. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will grant them blessing because of your sacrifice. So just now this program also relating to Kristanata. So I read Huzur comment regarding Kristanata. Huzur said, domestic and matrimonial issues which has been on the rise for a long time will decrease if husband and wife treat each other with love and respect and focus upon the demands of their faith. Another prevalent issue is the number of Ahmadi men married outside the Jama'at is on the increase. I have instructed Secretaries Tarbiyah in other local Jama'at and other auxiliaries on many occasions about trying to reverse this trend so that the young Ahmadi women are able to find suitable matches. In this regard, the Ristanata or matrimonial affairs department need to be extremely active and focused on solving this issue. In order to improve the situation, multiple Ristanata secretaries were appointed, but the desired result have not been materialized, and simple reason in the lack of tarbiyah and encouraging materialism among members of the Jama'at. So Huzur also concerned about the matrimonial situation of Jama'at, where there is always fighting between husband and wife, that resulting divorce, talaq. This one also, if the tarbiyah is improved, this issue can be avoided. Another thing is the Kudam, Ansar, who is not yet married, they want to marry with a non-Ahmadi woman. So this one also have to be solved out. If all those Kudam or Ansar who is not married yet marry with a non-Ahmadi woman, who will marry the Ahmadi woman? So this is also have to be solved out. That means all the Kudam or Ansar not yet married have to find Ahmadi woman itself for the family, for the marriage. That's why in this way we will solve the problem of Ristanata. So everyone must take note this one. But so far in our Malaysia, not much is happening. Only to some of the local also happening and some other areas. This one I have to be addressed also. So I think not much again I have to give you all this one just now. In brief speeches in Urdu is very good and you must take serious understanding on that. And what I want to remind again is Huzur always press, always instruct all members of Jama'at to take part, to follow the Huzur Khutbah every Friday. Huzur Khutbah is very important because the advice from Huzur is very important thing in your life. Just hearing the khutbah is insufficient. You must hear what is Huzur advice and understand what Huzur say, and after that practice in your life. Only then it will benefit you. Only then the blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be blessed upon you. So I think may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless all my brothers here so that you can have a good life and easy to live your life here. And also we also pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help those who are sick and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will recover them. And also the process of resettlement. Process for resettlement to other countries, we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will help and enable those who have been long here to be resettled, so the problem will be solved out. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will hear our prayer. So I think Kamran Musa can translate it to Urdu. It's much better, we can understand.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم